Hello, how are you everyone? This is day 2 of my gluten-free, dairy-free, quick cooking on the go, healthy foods without having to spend too much time in the kitchen video. I hope everyone had a great New Year's and enjoying the start of 2018. I am very excited for the year. Got a lot going on and I don't want to spend time cooking. So this is what I'm doing, which is wonderful, and I have a great recipe to share with you guys today. Hi Jody, this recipe, I have seen so many variations of it before. Jody, another Jody. Hey Wendy. I've seen so many variations of this recipe before and I've never liked them. It's those raw balls that people say, oh, just mix together and make balls, and they're delicious. Put them in the refrigerator. So for me, personally, they always taste too peanut buttery, or they taste too, people add protein powder and stuff to it. So I didn't add protein powder to it this time. I may try it that way next time. Super easy recipe. I'll put it in the comments below. It is dates, and the most work I had to do for the whole recipe was get the pits out of the dates. But I only used like 4 or 5 dates, so it was quick and easy. Dried apricots, as much peanut butter as you would like. So I used very little because the dates are very sticky and I didn't want a big peanut butter taste. And any nut that you like. And I happen to love cashews. So all I did was throw in the Cuisinart, and this woman Olivia who gave me the recipe calls it blitzing. You put it in the Cuisinart and you blitz it, and I didn't know what that meant, but she told me it's the Cuisinart. And you literally let it stir for 3 or 4 minutes until it looks all stuck together. And then the recipe said, oh, hi Samir, how are you? I don't think I could try not to smile, sorry. So when I was done with the Cuisinart and I was taking out, and it said to make balls, you know, like roll them all into balls and then put them in the refrigerator. That was one too many steps, because if you want healthy, on the go, and quick, sitting there and rolling out 20 balls doesn't work. So I made it flat in a jar, in a glass dish, and I just flattened it out and put it in the refrigerator. And they're really very good because it's not so much peanut butter, and the cashews are not a strong nut taste. The apricots and the dates are delicious. So all I have to do is like sit here and cut off some pieces, and in 2 seconds flat. They're delicious. So I made these in under 4 minutes. Love them. Definitely recommend them. I will never stab myself, Wendy Weiner. I will only stab Rob. Sorry. I'm just replying to comments. So very easy, yummy, quick, 4 minutes. And again, I'm going to have these all week. So they're wonderful. So I'm going to put the recipe in the comments and let me know if you have any questions, if you need anything. But I hope you enjoy these. And it's quick, easy, on the go, healthy, gluten-free, dairy-free, and whatever else you need. Enjoy. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, everyone. Bye. Samir, I'm not smiling.